You didn't know we were gonna swap?
How am I supposed to, I'm supposed to read your mind?
Yeah, how else are you supposed to know what I want? Unless you read my mind.
Pre-recording antics.
You didn't know that. Can I have a kiss? Why you hate me on camera?
Because you try to set me up every time.
I've never tried to set you up.
You literally, every video, you try to set me up. So he pokes at me right when he starts recording to get my reaction to put it on camera every time.
Welcome back to another video straight to the content. We are here with Miss Flash Custom Transfers. We have an amazing, amazing thing to bring to you guys. What do we want to bring to them? We just did an awesome video on Flash Custom Transfers, guys. Go check that out. We explained all this new dope stuff that we just brought to the website. We finally finished it. It is 10:16 p.m. August 8th. We finally finished it. It is live on the website. What is it?
It is live?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
Oh, no. I thought it was gonna be live after we dropped this.
No, it's live.
Oh, snap.
What is it?
Free stock images.
Free stock images, guys. They are on the website right now. Go right now. We got, what kind of images do we got? Back to school.
Back to school, kindergarten through 5th grade.
Yep.
We have fall, Halloween, and Thanksgiving.
And that really comes, that's kind of vague what we're saying. That Halloween pack that we're giving them is like 8 folders?
It's 120 plus images.
120 plus images, yep. And then the school pack, because it's not, even though it is pre-K through 5th, you can change that number 5 to number 8, or to number 9, or to 12th grade, or whatever you needed to change it to, because each file comes with its own SVG, DXF, PNG, and
AI. So it's customizable.
Customizable, man. You can knock it out. And don't forget that all those images are free. So it's about 75 total, right?
Yes, 75 designs total. With our back to school bundle.
Yep, with the back to school bundle, 75 designs and over 100 and what?
20.
Over 120 designs with our fall and Halloween. And this is just the beginning, guys. Please take advantage of these free images that we spent 12, 14 hours on today.
We took a 3-hour nap.
No, dang, you just tell it all.
No, don't try to front. Don't try to
McDonald's be hitting different.
I took a 3-hour nap. It is the second part of our day. Don't let them fool you.
But yes, guys. Yes, guys, listen. We did that, right? Because we want you, now none of those images are actually on this sheet right here. If you guys don't know if this is your first time tuning in, make sure that you check out all of our other videos. But we are Flash Custom Transfers, and we create DTF gang sheets, 22 by 24 inch sheets where you can put as many images that you can fit on there, and we sell them to you for $19.99 per image. And if you get over $99 worth, you get free shipping. So we're really trying to change the industry. We're the biggest sheets out there for the lowest price. You can even get it down to $15.99 if you get enough sheets, but that's a conversation for another video. But in this video, guys, take advantage of our free images. So we got very influenced by Etsy and all these other companies out here that are allowed all these other, download image programs and stuff like that. And we got really inspired, and we were like, you know what? Let's put this on our website to influence people to come and get stock images from our website to create their own gang sheets. Right? We got 2 children that are going back to school, and we know that back to school items are a hot topic. And as we transition into the fall and stuff like that, we're like, what can we do?
You guys have been asking for them. I'm not even gonna lie. You guys are like, I actually got an email yesterday. Do you have stock images? Hey, Juneteenth, when Juneteenth was here, a lot of people were asking, do you have pre-made Juneteenth images? Trying to get that custom apparel out for Juneteenth, and we didn't have it. So people had to find their own, get it vectored, pay to get it vectored. So now we provide every image, we're gonna do all the holidays and specific unique ones. If you guys let us know, hey, can you do stock images of, what is something? Traveling, positive quotes, things like that, anything like that, unicorns, just unicorns. People love unicorns. Those are things we can do stocked images on, and it comes with the AI files, the SVG, AI files where you're able to edit it just like a vector. You're able to change the colors, customize the words. It comes with SVG for vinyl cutters such as Cricut, Cameo, Silhouette. You're able to use them that way. It comes with PDF, different things like that. But AI is our favorite because we're able to customize it and we know it's at the highest quality, highest resolution. There's no ifs, ands, or buts with that.
Yeah, please, like she said, just to kind of piggyback off of that, use these images to create your gang sheet or be inspired to create your gang sheet at home. We have a lot of videos on Flash Custom Transfers YouTube and on Straight Outta Content teaching you how to create a gang sheet. Now, it's very hard whenever you're trying to create a gang sheet with just right-click save as images that you get from Google. But now that you have access to really high quality images, and we're gonna continue to expand our library, now that you have access, go ahead and get the free software like Krita, which we have a video on Flash Custom Transfers, which is a free open source software. We have a step-by-step video that's gonna walk you through how to create a gang sheet for free at your house or at your wherever your place of residence is, or even at work. If you're doing this as a side hustle on your computer, you're able to download that software and create a gang sheet. Definitely check that out. But if you want to pay or you want to use some of the leading industry software, AI, Adobe Illustrator is something that we recommend. We are in no way affiliated, nor do we get paid anytime we recommend that company. But please use that software and really get to up your knowledge, because that's going to speed up the process when creating your project. So if a lot of people out there want to do fast projects, and for the people out there who are able to create their gang sheet on their own, and then just send us the PNG, how easy, she handles all the orders, so how easy does that make your job whenever you do it?
Lightning bolt fast. All you gotta do is you send us your image, your file already created, already have vector images. We take a look at it, we send you a screenshot for approval, you approve, we submit for printing. Easy as it can take up to 5 minutes on how fast we're both accessible. So it's really, really quick.
Yeah, and for those who cannot, you don't have access to AI, you don't have a strong enough computer to run these different softwares because they are pretty demanding. We will totally gang it out for you. And what's great is if you're using our images, and this is the reason why we really want to expand our library. If you're using our images, then we know whenever you send us 5 images from our packs that you download for free, then we know it's gonna be super easy because we're working with great quality images. Even if you send us the PNG, we know that, hey, we're working with easy images. Now, we can't edit that PNG if you wanted to say Billy Bob instead of first grade or something like that. But I say that, you know, maybe.
Billy Bob, that's the first name.
I don't know. I'm in Texas. I don't know.
Billy Bob.
Everybody's name is Billy Bob here in Texas.
I've never met anyone named Billy Bob.
Yes, you did. Billy Bob Thornton, shout out to you. But my point is that whenever you're also going to speed up the process if you use our images. So we're going to try to continue to add to our library, especially as we go through different times, to allow you guys to download images that you don't have to go get from somewhere else, that you don't even have to pay for us to vector, right? We want to cut the cost everywhere that we can and just make your process as easy and as streamlined and as fast as possible. So please take advantage of that. And like we said in the Flash Custom Transfers video, these images are free. So do with them what you want. You have full, complete access to download them from us and resell the packs. Please create your own Etsy store with our images. We don't care. Go somewhere and sell them to whoever you want. Put them on your Facebook store, put them on your Instagram store. Please flip the pics, flip the sheets and flip the pics. We are here for you. You guys know that we are always in the business to create opportunities, financial opportunities for whoever is watching. Anything else am I missing?
Do the step 1, just to kind of simplify it for them.
Okay, so
to recap all of this.
Yes, and don't forget, there's a little, we have this video that I'm making right here for Straight Outta Content, but don't forget, we also have the video on Flash Custom Transfers official YouTube. Go check out this video over there, because I might be missing something. So we shot it at the same time, but I still might be missing something. So go over there, go check out that channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So step 1, you're gonna go to your browser on a computer, not on your phone, and you're gonna go to flashcustomtransfers.com. From there, right up there at the top, you're gonna see free stock images. Wham, boom, click that. Next thing you know, you're gonna have a dope page, It's gonna say free images with a title, and then it's gonna have a beautiful description telling you about the free images, and that if you aren't able to create the gang sheet yourself, the email is right there. If you need to download it, if you need to send us the images that you download. So right at the bottom, you will see it's all nice and pretty in different packs. And anything that says complete, if it says complete, that means it's gonna come with all of the images. So we have 2 completes up there right now, and then we have individual pack 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is, school grade pack 1, 2, 3, and then the kindergarten pack, right? But you can download the complete pack with the first picture that's right there. You just hit download. It's gonna take you, all the big files, they're gonna be a Google Drive link. Some files you'll hit download and they'll go right to your computer, making it super easy. You can then start to work from there. It's a zip file, so just unzip it and use all of those images. That's how you're gonna start the process now. So from there, once you download those images, like I said in the description, you can either start creating your gang sheet if you know how to, using software like Adobe Illustrator or Cricut or Photoshop, or Krita or Photoshop. If you do not know how to, please feel free to email us just the images that you want on the gang sheet. Do not email us the whole folder and say, hey, make a gang sheet out of this. Do not do that. We're gonna say, no, but thank you for downloading. Thank you for downloading the images. Can you please tell us and only send us the images that you want on your gang sheet? So like on this, however many images, just send us the images that you want on your gang sheet. And what's awesome about this, and Shelly can really kind of touch on this as well, is that those images are not just only for DTF transfers. They are also for
Cricut, Cameo, and Silhouette.
And Sublimation. And
Sublimation. Yes, I forgot.
And what's the file for Sublimation?
Just a JPEG, PNG.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be transparent. It can have the white background because Sublimation doesn't have a white ink. So whatever's white is gonna be transparent. So you're able to use any of those files for Sublimation. I did see, I'm going to do a free stock images of tumbler wraps.
Man.
So you can do tumbler wrap sublimation, and you already have all those free stocked images for that. I looked into that today. And then DTF is our AI file, our vinyl cutting file is SVG, and then our sublimation can be PNG.
And she touched on the tumblers. You guys know that we do that with our sublimation, but you can also create custom tumblers as we have here with our stickers. And you can use those files to create your custom stickers. So all of those pictures that you download can be stickers, all of them. Every last one of them can be converted into a sticker. We'd probably die cut it, but don't forget that you can do oval, square, round. This right here is called die cut, so it's gonna cut around the image. So yes, you can create all of those things, 3 different products, DTF transfers, sublimation, and stickers, and really cover all your bases if you are starting a business, or if you just have a hobby or just a little side hustle, as they say. You can really come to us and have a one-stop shop. All the links will be in the description below, so you can just go to right now, after you hit subscribe and hit that like button, make sure you do that, go down, hit that link, and it's gonna take you right there, and you'll be able to start downloading those images. Please annihilate our comment section on what images you guys want. We know we dropped the ball on Juneteenth, so please let us know. Yeah, we didn't have any stock images.
Yeah, we didn't. Yeah, we did.
So please let us know. Hey, listen, I need monster truck stock images.
We read every comment.
Yes.
So I'm going to be monitoring those because I need to find all the stock images. So please comment down below, and you can also visit my video on Flash Custom Transfers and let me know as well.
Yes, and we're gonna be doing like birthday stock images, because I know it's gonna be a huge one.
I'm gonna fill it up.
Yes.
So every day I'm probably gonna add a new one. Anytime I have time, I'm just gonna keep adding and adding. So
yes, and share.
Yes, share.
Please tell people that, hey, Flash Custom Transfers got free images. And check their website every day, because you might see a new pack. And it's for you. It's not going away anywhere. So.
Oh, yeah. That is one thing I forgot to touch. This does not expire. Some promotions expire, like buy 5, get 1 free, things like that. This is not expire. This is a part of the company. This is here to stay. We will always provide free stock images.
Yes, this is a permanent option for our business as we close out this video. But I just wanted to touch on that because the reason why we're doing this is because we are going to, and this is just a small snippet, I actually wrote it in a comment today, we are going to be relaunching Flash Custom Designs.
Designs?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
designs.
We're going to be relaunching Flash Custom Designs. It'll just be a 100% online with the people involved in our company. And we are going to provide graphic design services to you. So it'll be separate from Flash Custom Transfers. You will not be obligated to purchase, or we will not be obligated or persuaded to purchase DTF Transfers or any of our products. It will just be strictly for designing. So images, video, what are some other things? Logos, you name it. That's what we, kind of like what Canva does online, but more like email, like where you can contact us and send in your images. So yeah, please, this is kind of the start of that so that you can start using our images that we provide. And if you just need the image that you downloaded for free, if you just need it edited, you will be able to do that and then go off and do whatever else you want with that image. And that service will come to you from Flash Custom Designs. So that's really gonna be it. Again, guys, take advantage of our transfers, take advantage of all of our products. Please check out the other video, which is probably a little bit longer, on Flash Custom Transfers on YouTube. And please hit that subscribe button, that like button as well. And we appreciate everything that you guys do for us. Sales have been finally coming back. It was a little slow period there for a while. So sales are coming back and we're headed into back to school. So all the children out there, Lulu, I know you go back to school on Wednesday. D, you go back to school next week. All the children out there, guys, be safe. Listen to your teachers. Okay, guys, listen to your teachers. Don't give your teachers a hard time. Teachers got a really tough job, and just be safe out there, all the kids out there. We really want everybody to be safe. So that's gonna be it for this video. See you guys next time. Peace.